Alright guys, this is going to be the first of 4 sections of notes. So find this page in your workbook, and what we're going to do is we are going to be working on this section right here. Alright, and this section of our notes is how to draw a Lewis structure, and we're going to break this down into steps. What I'm going to do is I am going to first have each step in a color. So whatever I do here in one color, that step will be done here in that same color. That way, you're able to identify which step connects to what. Alright guys, so step 1 is to write the electron configuration. So say we have the element oxygen. Oxygen has the symbol O, and it has 8 electrons, which gives us an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. If you do not know how I'm getting this, you need to come and talk to me. Reach out to me via Remind. Reach out to me somehow so that I can help you figure out how to do this. Step 2 is to determine the number of valence electrons. What you do is you figure out whatever has the highest number in front. You take that and you add its exponents. So we have 6 valence electrons. And our last step is to place the valence electrons around your element symbol, one in each quadrant first. Start at the top and move clockwise. So anytime you see an element, you should think if there's an imaginary box around your element. And that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. So you're going to put 1 in each quadrant and then move clockwise. So I start at 1, start at the top, and I move to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I stop because I have 6 valence electrons. And so my answer is O, 1, 2 on top, 2 to the side, 1 on the bottom, 1 on the other side. This is my answer. Now, there's one more thing I want to remind you of as we move forward, and I'm going to write this really big on the entire slide because it is that important, and it is if you have more than 8 valence electrons, you did something wrong. Please go back and check your work. Ask me what you did wrong. I'm here to help. But if there is more than 8 valence electrons, you need to go back and check your work because something has gone wrong. With that being said, you are going to work on the next worksheet. Alright guys, your worksheet looks like this and is posted on Google Classroom. What you're going to do is exactly what we did, step by step, but we're going to do number 1 together, BE. Step 1, draw your electron configuration. Electron configuration for BE is 1s2, 2s2. You then need to find or identify how many valence electrons you have. So you take whatever has the biggest number and you add its exponents. So I have 2 valence electrons. Then I need to draw my Lewis structure. So I write my element symbol, I start at the top, move clockwise, and I go 1, 2. Since I only have 2 valence electrons, I only have 2 dots, giving my answer BE. You are doing exactly this for 1 through 14 on a separate sheet of paper. Once you've got that completed, upload that work to Google Classroom. All right, move on to your next worksheet and then your next video.